Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to be checking out this blower. This is by Sabrent, and what this is, I would like recommend one of these for every household. Like this is just great for just dusting your car, dusting your house, dusting air filters, like dusting your PC. This thing is just amazing, and this does come with its hard case, which is really nice, high quality. And we do have these several different attachments that we can just swap out through, and that is really nice. They even have one, let's say you want to like push the air to the side. This one is pretty good. Let's say you're like cleaning out small crevices. This thing is perfect. And you can easily just rotate them. They come off, and you can rotate and put in a new one just like this. And of course, we do have a 4000 milliamp hour chargeable battery. So we do have a type C for charging, and we do have 3 different power modes. And we actually have a 140,000 RPM fan in here. And in the fastest mode, we do have 45 meters per second of velocity of the air coming out of this thing. And you can, like, in the lowest mode possible, this will go on for like an hour of runtime, which is pretty good. So what you do is you're gonna come over here, you're gonna press and hold, and now it will showcase the battery level down here below. And then over here, it will actually show me the current power level. So if I press, we have a 2, 1, 2, 3. So this is the lowest one possible. And there you go, it turns on. And if I press one more time, it will turn off. And now it's in. You can like actually like see my skin moving around with this. And now if I put it into the most maximum mode, which is number 3 over here, now we will actually have that 130,000 RPM fan. But for the his mode, we actually have to press and hold because of the mode level it is in. So, and for example, let me get this box over here. I have a small flashlight box over here, and there you go. Like this thing is just wonderful. Like at first you think you don't need it, but once you have it, this comes in handy basically every day for me. So I will highly recommend this. The link will be down below in the description, so please do go check that out. And thank you.